ATI Restoration is the largest family-founded restoration company in the United States. With over 70 offices, we can be to your home, to your office, to your large warehouse in less than 24 hours. Regardless of loss size, we're there to help you understand the process, how to get you back up and running as fast as possible, or get you back into your home.
I went to sleep. My wife woke me up. Next thing you know, the flames are all over the house. The fire department came and it was over. I have nothing now.
When you arrive on a fire site, you're finding family that just needs somebody to trust. They may not even understand their insurance policy and how to use it and how to get the most out of it to be able to put their house back together.
It's a stressful time, right? And that's our job, to let them understand that I know it doesn't seem like it right now, but you're gonna get taken care of. You're always at the forefront of every decision that we make.
I just wanted to look at the house and see how bad it was. Walked into the kitchen, there was a big hole there, and I'm seeing my grandson's toys all fire burned. I didn't think the whole structure would be taken apart, but nothing was really salvageable.
We immediately went out, boarded up the house, started helping them with their contents, helped get it cleaned up, demolished, to be able to put them back together.
As far as the resources, ATI gives you everything you need for any project you're on. Any materials, any manpower. I mean, we're able to utilize that across the nation.
We work on a large range of projects: water, fire, mold, biohazard, hazmat, and reconstruction. But what we bring to every project is empathy, communication, and structure.
I've been doing this for 20 years, and my experience has been ATI just goes above and beyond everybody else. So that's why I'm here, that's why I'm staying here.
You always wonder who's gonna take care of you, who's gonna take care of your house. I have an issue with asking people to help me. I don't like it, but at this occasion, you have to. And I took a chance with ATI, and that's where ATI took care of it for us. They took care of me.